So this is the fuel filter of the 1.6 TDI engines. Replacing it is very simple. All you've got to do is to undo the inlet and the outlet pipe and the 3 clips that hold the filter in place and remove it. I'll show you how it is done. Push the pipe towards the filter. Push these 2 tabs and pull the tube out. Once again, push the pipe towards the filter, push these 2 tabs, pull the tube out. As you can see, there's going to be a wee bit leakage of diesel around it, but do not worry, you can always wipe it out with a cloth. Now to remove the filter, undo these snap locks. There are 3 snap locks. Undo these snap locks and pull the filter out. It's going to be a little heavy because there's diesel inside. You can notice this drain plug here. When you undo this, the diesel is going to come out. In the newer 1.5 TDI engines, there's going to be a water and fuel sensor built into this plug, which comes with an electrical connector. That's the only difference between the 1.5 and the 1.6 TDI fuel filters. So this filter is from Sofima, and they're also one of the OEMs for VW and Skoda, just like UFI. So you can see there's not much difference between both the filters. They are like nearly identical. So what you've got to do is remove these 2 caps to the inlet and the outlet pipes. These are rubber caps. Insert them into the slot. You can hear a firm click. Insert the inlet and the outlet pipe. This is the inlet pipe. All you've got to do is just push the pipe towards it. The outlet pipe. That's all. Isn't that easy? One last step before your fuel filter is installed is to prime it before you start the engine. So fuel is contained within the filter. So what you need to do is, rather than cranking the engine, turn it off and on, ignition. You'll hear a distinctive noise when the fuel is being primed. That's all. The noise will become fainter as it goes. So this is shown that the fuel is primed into the filter sufficiently. So that's the last step once you install a new fuel filter. So that completes our fuel filter replacement.